Hi, I'm Mohammed Nazir. I just do my hair plantation here. Since when I want to do my hair transplant, and I saw a website that in Malaysia, the GLOJAS hair transplant is of the best, the top list, and that the review is very nice. And personally, I also convinced. That's why I come here. I'm not flooding anyone to come here and do this. Everybody have their own choice. But what I feel myself is this is the best place to do it, and I done this, and I'm very happy because of Dato Professor Dato Dr. JasG. He is personally handle the hair transplant. He give several hours until I finish my last graft. He is there. His team is such a wonderful team. I like them and I appreciate what they done for me. This is I carry my whole life. So please, if anybody wants to do their hair transplant, please reach us. Your personal confidence is very important. Thank you, GLOJAS. Thank you so much.